Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's create this. You see it's a great effect. Let's try to create this. At first we need to have this picture. Let's say we have this picture, we copy the picture and paste it in the new slide, this picture. But as you can see, this picture have a problem. Some of you may think it's a crop option. See, it's a crop option. When we reduce the crop, the whole picture will appear. Okay, this is the picture. How we can create this to that shape? It's a good question. For that, we need to insert a shape. From the shape, we need to select the shape that we need. We are going to go, for example, with this shape. No, this shape is not good. We need to create two shapes for usage. We insert a blank space. Here we need this shape that simply is two circle. It's important. I need one circle here. Okay. And one circle here. But the important thing is that this one of the circles are going to do another job to another circle. Okay, let's try to create this. Or you can just simply don't do the smart thing and you can use the shapes we have here. For example, this shape is also do the work. You can create the shape. Let's go by this shape, not use the circles. You can create the shape and increase it in size. Increase it in size and make it smaller. You see, it's also do the work. It's not give us the curve we want, but it's do the work. Also, I think we can change the curve the way we want. Okay, for example, something like this. Let's go by this for now. After creating that, we copy it to have another copy of that. Then we select the picture and the shape and go to shape format and set the fragment. Some of you may ask what happened. You see, it's become fragment, but we have a problem. This fragment is not the fragment we want. For that, what we are going to use, we are going to select this shape and this and go to shape format. You see, when we say combine on fragment, it's giving us the wrong answer. What we do, we go to shape format and the fragment, but after that we select these two things and go to picture format. You see there is nothing about merge. We just need to search merge. Sorry, merge shapes and make them merge shapes and make them onion. You see we solved the problem. No, we make another problem because when we are going to, let's come back. Okay, here we chop the picture into three pictures. Here you see 1 and 2. But the main problem here is that when you chop to this thing, for that you need to increase it a little in the size to chop it in the perfect way. Now when we going to using fragment, it's going to give us the shape we want. Let me just select this shape, and this shape. We have all the shapes we want. Now we just simply select these two shapes and make them by merge, make them onion and use them. We paste it here and paste it here. Now we just simply copy the text and copy the slide, bring it out. For example, like this is enough, and bring it up. Here is enough, and then bring this thing up. Change the font to vertex and the color to black. It's good. Okay, and then copy the text and paste it here. Set the transition to morph. You see the magic happened. If you like this kind of transitions, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.